The Industrial Revolution was a period of immense change, a transformative era that reshaped the very fabric of society. It started in the late 1700s, marking the beginning of a new age of innovation and progress. This revolution was a monumental shift from handmade goods to machine-made goods, revolutionizing production processes and efficiency. It began in Great Britain, the cradle of industrialization, and soon spread throughout the world, influencing economies and societies far and wide. The Industrial Revolution dramatically altered every aspect of human life, from the way people worked to how they lived and interacted with each other. It changed how people worked, lived, and interacted with the world around them, leading to the rise of urban centers and new social dynamics. This era saw remarkable advancements in technology, with inventions like the steam engine and the power loom revolutionizing industries. These advancements in turn fueled industrial growth, leading to the expansion of factories and the development of new production processes. The Industrial Revolution wasn't just about machines, it was about a new way of life, a shift towards urbanization and factory-based work. It was a time of great upheaval and progress, creating the world we know today, laying the foundation for modern industry and society. The era also saw the rise of labor movements as workers sought better conditions and rights, highlighting the social challenges of rapid industrialization. Innovations in transportation like railways and steamships connected distant regions, facilitating trade and communication on an unprecedented scale. The Industrial Revolution also spurred advancements in education and scientific research, fostering a culture of innovation and discovery. As industrialization spread globally, it brought both opportunities and challenges, reshaping economies and societies across continents. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution is still evident today in our modern cities, technologies, and the way we live and work. Reflecting on this profound period of change, we see how it set the stage for the contemporary world, driving progress and innovation that continue to shape our future. Before the Industrial Revolution, life moved at a slower pace. Most people lived in rural areas and worked on farms. They grew their own food and made their own clothes. Skilled artisans crafted goods by hand, passing their knowledge down through generations. Families were large and children worked alongside adults. Life was difficult and people were closely connected to the land. The pace of life was about to change dramatically with the arrival of new machines. The invention of the steam engine was a game changer. Invented by James Watt in 1776, the steam engine provided a new source of power. This invention revolutionized transportation and manufacturing. Factories could now run machines with steam power. The textile industry was among the first to embrace these changes. New machines like the spinning jenny and the power loom increased the speed and efficiency of cloth production. This led to the mass production of textiles. With the rise of factories, people flocked to urban centers in search of work. Cities grew at an unprecedented rate. This rapid urbanization led to both opportunities and challenges. New housing and infrastructure were needed to accommodate the growing population. Cities became centers of commerce and innovation. However, they also faced problems like overcrowding, pollution, and poverty. The contrast between the lives of factory owners and factory workers became increasingly stark. Section 5. The Dark Side of Factories. Factory work during the Industrial Revolution was often harsh and dangerous. Workers, including women and children, toiled for long hours in unsafe conditions. They received low wages and had little job security. Child labor was rampant, with children as young as 5 working in mines and factories. These children were deprived of education and exposed to dangerous machinery. The conditions in these factories highlighted the social inequalities of the time. Section 6. A New Social Order. The Industrial Revolution led to the emergence of new social classes. The middle class, consisting of factory owners, merchants, and professionals, grew in size and influence. They enjoyed increased wealth and a higher standard of living. Meanwhile, a working class emerged made up of factory workers and laborers. They often faced difficult living and working conditions. This disparity in wealth and opportunity led to social unrest and calls for reform. Section 7. A wave of innovation. The Industrial Revolution was a time of incredible innovation. New inventions emerged at a rapid pace, transforming various aspects of life. The steam engine powered locomotives and steamships, revolutionizing transportation. The invention of the telegraph by Samuel Morse in 1844 revolutionized communication, allowing people to send messages across long distances instantly. These innovations had a profound impact on trade, travel, and the spread of ideas. Section 8. The world transformed. The Industrial Revolution was not confined to Europe and America, its impact was global. European nations sought raw materials and new markets for their manufactured goods. This led to the expansion of colonialism and imperialism. Countries like India and China became sources of raw cotton and other resources for European factories. The Industrial Revolution thus reshaped the global balance of power and interconnectedness. Section 9. The price of progress. The Industrial Revolution, while a period of great progress, also had its downsides. The burning of coal in factories released harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, leading to air pollution. Rivers and streams became contaminated with industrial waste. The rapid deforestation to fuel steam engines and clear land for factories further damaged the environment. The Industrial Revolution's impact on the environment is a stark reminder that progress often comes at a cost. Section 10. The enduring legacy. The Industrial Revolution was a turning point in human history. It was a period of profound transformation that reshaped societies, economies, and the very fabric of daily life. It marked a shift from an agrarian society to an industrial one. This transition was not just about new machines and factories, it was about a new way of living and working. This period laid the foundation for modern technology, mass production, and the globalized world we live in today. Innovations in transportation, communication, and manufacturing set the stage for the interconnected world we now inhabit. The Industrial Revolution's legacy is complex. While it spurred incredible advancements in economic growth, it also introduced significant challenges that we continue to grapple with. It brought about unprecedented progress, but also created new challenges, such as social inequality and environmental degradation. The rapid industrialization led to crowded cities, poor working conditions, and a stark divide between the wealthy and the working class. Understanding this legacy is crucial for navigating the complexities of the modern world. By studying the past, we can learn valuable lessons to address current issues and build a more equitable and sustainable future. Section 11. Conclusion. A turning point in history. The Industrial Revolution was a period of dramatic transformation marked by technological advancements, social upheaval, and global impact. It was a time when the world saw the birth of new technologies that would forever change the way people lived and worked. The shift from agrarian societies to industrial powerhouses was not just a change in production methods, but a complete overhaul of societal structures. From the steam engine to the factory system, these innovations changed the course of human history. The steam engine, for instance, revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, making it possible to produce goods on a scale never before imagined. Factories became the new centers of production, drawing people from rural areas into burgeoning urban centers. The rise of cities, the emergence of new social classes, and the global reach of industrialization shaped the world we live in today. Urbanization brought about significant changes in living conditions, with many people experiencing both the benefits and the challenges of city life. The creation of new social classes, such as the industrial working class and the bourgeoisie, led to shifts in power dynamics and social structures. The Industrial Revolution's legacy is multifaceted. It laid the groundwork for the modern economy, introducing concepts like mass production and consumer culture. However, it also brought about issues such as labor exploitation and environmental degradation, which continue to be relevant today. It ushered in an era of unprecedented progress and innovation, but also highlighted the importance of social responsibility and environmental sustainability. The advancements made during this period set the stage for future technological developments, but they also underscored the need for ethical considerations in the pursuit of progress. As we continue to grapple with the challenges and opportunities of our modern world, understanding the Industrial Revolution remains as relevant as ever. The lessons learned from this pivotal period in history can guide us in addressing contemporary issues such as climate change, economic inequality, and technological disruption. By studying the past, we can better navigate the complexities of the present and build a more sustainable and equitable future.